A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. In today's tutorial I'd like to show you how to work single crochet into a magic ring. I have an example here where I have worked 8 single crochet into a magic ring. So I'll just start off by making a magic ring, and I'm going to be making the ring the easiest way for me to make a magic ring. So I'm going to leave a length of yarn. I'm just going to place the yarn up against this finger, hold it with my thumb, and I'm going to make a loop until it comes together there. And I'll hold it with my thumb, insert the hook underneath this loop here, and pull a loop through, and then I'm going to make one chain. So I have my magic ring. So this one chain is actually to hold the ring firm, and it's not going to be counted as a stitch. So I'm going to be working the 8 single crochet into this magic ring. And as you can see, we have some loops here that were created when we formed the magic ring so that we can pull it tight when we have made our single crochet. So we're going to be crocheting into the ring and over these 2 loops. So I'm putting my hook into the ring underneath these 2 loops, and I'm making my single crochet as I normally do. So I've made one, and under these 2 loops in the ring, and then just make another single crochet. So I have 2 single crochet, and we do the same, the hook underneath these 2 loops, and we make our single crochet as normal. So I have made 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm not going to slip stitch into close around. We're going to have to pull the ring close before we do that, but before we close around, I'm going to count my stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm doing that because once I've closed the ring, it's quite difficult to add another stitch. So I'm going to pull the ring tight. And I'm going to just slip stitch into the first single crochet I made. And then you just continue with your pattern in the round, whatever pattern you are doing at the present time. And I just pull the ring a bit tighter just to close the hole. If you're not happy to use a magic ring, there is another way you can work your single crochet into the round. So I'm just going to pull this out, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to have a little bit of a length of yarn, and I'm going to make a slip knot. And we're going to chain 2. So I have my slip knot, and I'm going to chain 1, 2. So into the second chain from the hook, which is the first chain that I made, I'm going to be working my 8 single crochet. And this missed chain doesn't count as a stitch. And as you can see in the chain, we have 1, 2, 3 loops. So I'm going to be making my single crochet underneath the top 2 loops. So just underneath. So we have 1, 2, 3. These are the top 2 loops. I'm just going to be making my single crochet into there. So I've made 1, and this loop we don't use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and as I'm working my single crochet around, I'm just going to be holding this thread up against here, and I'm going to be working it in with my single crochet. So I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So before I make my slip stitch, I'm just going to count my single crochet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to slip stitch into the first single crochet I made, and we have our 8th single crochet in the round, and it doesn't look too much different to the magic ring one, maybe just slightly a little bit bigger, and then you just continue working in the round, according to the pattern that you're following. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and useful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.